what's up? I hope you are doing well. I have another article for you, this time to do with AI again. Target improves add to cart interactions by 11% with generative AI recommendations. How do I feel about this? I've always thought this is a good use of AI. Let me explain. To me, just simple, tiny little things that you can use. I don't even want to call it AI. It's just like LLM knowledge. I don't know what to call it. Like pattern recognition. Let's just call it that. Pattern recognition and stuff like that. This is like a best use of AI. If you could use it to just, in a way that's not invading people's privacy, and also be able to gather some insight that help you push a business, push your products, it's okay to me. But now we're gonna find out if it's actually something that it does infringe on privacy, or if it's something that works seamlessly just based off on things that are clear. Like let's say you go on my website. If you don't know, I'm an e-com, I work in e-com. So if somebody goes on my website or something and they're shopping around, I can just track the user without infringing on their privacy, like track them anonymously, and then be able to recommend them things based off of things in the cart, or based off of things they shopped around, they were looking at when they shopped around. And that's okay to me, because by the user actually going on your website and then deciding to shop there, they have to accept the GDPR banner, like accept to be marketed to. So if they opt in, that's okay. That's like a good use of AI. So let's just read this. I think I have a good feeling about this, but let's find out. So Target has deployed a generative AI-based accessory recommendation system to address the growing complexity of pairing complementary products across its large retail catalog. Developed by the product recommendation team, GRAM, a Gen AI-based related accessory model for the home category, uses large language models to identify which product attributes matter most when recommending related accessories, helping shoppers find items that go together well. This is good. It's a good use of AI. As emphasized by Target engineers, the sheer size of the company's catalog and the diversity of item attributes makes providing high-quality accessory recommendations a complex challenge. Depending on the product, shoppers may prioritize color, material, brand, intended audience, or other factors. Traditional rule-based approaches can be brittle and difficult to scale, particularly when hundreds of attributes influence what constitutes a suitable accessory. GRAM addresses this challenge by automating the assessment of attribute and importance across categories, reducing the need for manual curation while maintaining recommendation relevance. I guess this is a problem always in e-com, especially. It's always a problem to be able to recommend a customer items that are actually more likely to buy, because that's what you want in the end. You want them to buy, and to do that, you can look at certain things, but having a model that's trained on recommendations that actually work, because they do have the data. Apparently, I don't know how they acquired the data. Privacy issues again, but they do have the data, and if they built the model using that data that's able to recognize those patterns to see what's more likely related to what and more likely to go with what, and the customer is going to be able to buy it. This is a good use. It's a good use of AI. Let's just agree with that. To ensure business relevance, Target combines a generative AI model with human in the loop process, allowing merchants to provide curated lists of co-purchased or seasonally relevant items. This approach ensures that while the LLM handles scalability and discovery, the human input guides cross-category pairings and maintain alignment with merchandising goals. We have something like that. I've used something called Algolia. Algolia is Algolia search, this one. Algolia does have like a recommendation system that's using AI, basically. I don't know if it's Gen AI, or it's just gathering insights like analytics. It does gather analytics, and then it's able to deduce some insights that's going to be able to allow it to generate recommendations and suggest the customer which products are going to go well with what, or are best suited, depending on multiple factors, because there's like tons of factors. So there's tools like this that are already like built, and then you have a Target building their own system using their own model. I guess it's a good thing. It's a good thing. It's a good use of AI to me. Not everybody's trying to do general AI. What do you call it? Like this all-knowing AI that knows everything, that does everything. Yeah, you can have it specialized in certain things, like train it on your particular field, and then have it gather insights from there, or like make sense of insights in a particular subject. Just a good use of AI to me. So this is kind of a positive. I'm always criticizing AI. So if this is a positive to me, I'm not gonna complain about it. I don't know how they acquired the data they used to train this, but they have it. They're using it for something good. And if it works, and good for them. What do you think of this particular use of AI? Do you think this is a more reasonable use of AI, or do you think this is just another thing we could have done without just using like an algorithm to recommend, or this is the way to go? I think this is a better way to go than algorithms. But yeah, this is a good way. It's a good way to handle a problem, even though I think there's like some solutions that were already doing this like years ago, and they're able to adapt to whatever data you provide them. But then again, some companies, they don't want to integrate systems like this into their ecosystem for one reason or another. They want to develop their own system of handling that. That's okay. Yeah, but it's nothing new. They're not reinventing the wheel. I've said it before, I'll say it again, like Algolia has had that system for a long time, and it's able to work. And they work with a bunch of other companies. Easily, Target could have used their system, because it always gathers information through their platform, but maybe they didn't want to, for one reason or another. But they use the general use of AI at the core. I think it's a good thing. It's a good thing. It's a good use of AI. Let me know what you think below. Do you think this is it's a good thing? Do you think we're gonna start seeing something like this in the stores? Actually, where in the physical store, you're gonna have like they do already have cameras. If you didn't know, if you've been living under a rock, they do have cameras in the stores. So as you walk around and they see you shopping, they see you looking at items. Hear me out. This might be a prediction. I like to make predictions about like tech, and I happen to be right most of the time. Here's what's gonna happen. In the future, you're gonna be going to the store. You're gonna shop around. There's gonna be these cameras that have like image recognition and some models running behind it. It's gonna track you. It's gonna see which product you pick up, put back down, put in your cart, and then it's gonna essentially take that data, and it's gonna create a profile for you while you're in the store, and then recommend you product based off of like the products you looked at, products you put down, products you were second guessing and then put back at the second guessing and then put in your cart. It's gonna have some recommendation at the end. So when you pass at the end, finishing your shopping, you're probably going to be suggested some products in them when you're doing the checkout. And if you add them to the cart as you check out, like an employee is going to go get them for you, so you're gonna wait another 1 to 5 minutes at most, and then they're gonna bring them back to you. I think something like that is not something that's very far away to happen. Oh, I'm just giving you ideas, Target or somebody else listening. give me credit when it actually works. So, okay. Target recommendations. What do you think about this? Comment below, let me know. Make sure you like the video. Sub. It doesn't cost you anything. Helps the channel a lot, gives me more energy. And yeah, what do you think of this? Let me know in the comments below. And I thank you so much for finishing the video. If you finished the video, and have a blessed day. Enjoy the rest of your day and your journey on YouTube. Thank you.